It smells like a bottle of Sprite. Now I know that. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandon. This is the InScentive Collection, Tesla edition. Okay, like and subscribe. Stay connected. Catch these reviews. Getting straight into this, we have Zenne. At least I think that's how you say it, Zenne. And well, you already know. We need to. Got a little X-rated in here. Look at that. Unsheath this thing. Bam. I hate when it does that. That's so annoying. All right, so we got some golden juice here. Some golden juice. All right. We're gonna go ahead and get this in the spirit. All right. We got fruity, vanilla, green, aromatic, powdery, powdery, citrus, animalic, rose, and sweet. My goodness, I think I like this. This is unique. This is very unique. It's the citrus green rose. I've never smelled anything like that. And now the citrus. And it's got a sweet undertone to it. Wow, that is very unique. It's very different. I don't even know what to say. In the top notes, you got black currant, rhubarb, and grapefruit. In the middle notes, you got Turkish rose, gardenia, and sandalwood. And in the base, you got vanilla, ambergris, and musk. I don't know what to make of this. I mean, I like it. It's so different, though. I don't know how to describe it. I just know that I like it. Like I can see myself buying this. I'm very curious on the dry down on here. Very curious. Very curious on the dry down. This is beautiful. I mean, it's like tart, sour, and sweet at the same time. But it's also very green. This is amazing. This is really amazing. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. What do you guys think? Have you guys tried this? And really, musk is like one of my favorite notes. It's up there. Musk, iris, ginger. This is nice. This is dope. And it's very, very dense. I'm still looking at I can still see the oil. I don't know if you guys can see that. But that's usually like a good, there it is right there. That's genuinely a good trait of like dense quality oils. But yeah, this is nice. This is dope. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. We'll be revisiting this. But beat up the comment section. What do you guys think of this? Have you tried anything like this? Have you tried anything similar to this? This is a very interesting combination. I want to say the rhubarb and black currant are probably, I've never seen those before, so those are probably doing a lot of heavy lifting. But that Turkish rose, I mean, that's a beautiful rose. It's probably my favorite rose note is Turkish rose. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. What is up, guys? Okay, we're back with Zenne, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I absolutely love this fragrance. I absolutely love this. It smells like a bottle of Sprite. Now, I know that sounds crazy, right? Because you try to smell Sprite, pop, 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 it's on your nose, you get burned and stuff, but like, this smells like a bottle of Sprite, and it's crisp, it's fresh, it's fruity, but it's got a little snap to it, man. This is a great fragrance. This is a great fragrance. I hope I'm saying the name right, but I wanted to get back in here. We're about 10, 15 minutes in. Probably more than that. Yeah, about 10, 15 minutes in. I love this. I love this. I would definitely wear this. I would definitely buy it. Great fragrance. Great, great, great. Hopefully I can get a full bottle in and do a full review for you guys, but this is absolutely lovely. All right.